Hey everyone, it's Amy and I got my first Hellofresh box. So I got $20 off my first 2 orders. I got 3 meals coming in each week. Now if you want to join, I'm going to have a link below. And if you join through me, you're going to get some stuff. I'm going to get some stuff. I did a poll on which meal we wanted to fix. You all wanted us to fix first. And it was the pork carnitas tacos. So there will be a video on that coming, but we're just going to unpack this. This is my very first box, so I don't know what to expect. Got the Hellofresh, Hello Perks. Say hello to the freshest deals in town. Let's see what this is. This is a thing for the Grove Collaborative, which I also joined on the same day. So, I don't think there's any codes on there. But if you want to know about this, it's coming soon. So, got a Hellofresh Hand Friends this card because Hand Friends this card because starting fresh is way better when you do it together. And this is a free box in 3 easy steps. It has a code on there. So there's that. Alright, one of the meals that we got is this Presto Pesto Panko Chicken. Thought we'd both really like this because it's got like some nice baked chicken. Got some mozzarella cheese in the crust. Pesto.
That don't look like much food.
Well, it's not real.
Okay, I'm just saying. Well,
I know. It doesn't look like a lot of potatoes, but maybe it's a really big plate. Those are 6-ounce chicken breast. So that's twice your serving. I know, we're big eaters. Not as much as we used to, but... Okay. We're going to see what the food actually looks like when we... But I do love that it comes with these recipe cards. Here is the sweet and sour sweet and smoky pork chops. I am looking forward to this. Oh, I forgot to tell you what comes in this besides the chicken. You get roasted potatoes and a green salad. This one you get apple carrot slaw, mashed potatoes, and cherry sauce. That looks amazing.
It does, but I don't know about that apple carrot slaw.
I'm intrigued by that. I think it's going to be good. And they say, I've seen other people like Phillips Fam Bam get these boxes, and they'll say that, you know, they wasn't sure about one ingredient, but they went ahead and added it anyway because that's what the recipe called for, and it ended up being amazing. I mean, these people have spent time putting these recipes together, so don't leave stuff out. And then the one everybody's excited for, we've got the pork carnitas tacos. They come with pickled onion and Monterey Jack cheese.
Pickled onion cheese?
No, pickled onions and cheese.
Okay.
I said and.
Okay.
Well, I get what you're saying, pickled onion cheese. Plus you're just being a smart out. Okay, and the backs of these, it shows you like step by step how to cook this. Okay, then we got some foam, and this is how they are going to come. You're going to get a bag of your ingredients. These are the pork carnitas tacos. And then we've got the Presto Pesto Panko Chicken. That's pretty heavy too. It's very cold.
Well, it is kind of heavy, isn't it?
Yeah. I wonder if these have any kind of expiration date. That would be nice, so you know when to cook it. Like, don't leave it in the refrigerator forever, because it's not going to be fresh anymore. It's going to be like, hello, ooh. And then here's the sweet and spicy pork chops. I'm going to open the carnitas tacos just so we can see what it looks like. You do get a bag of... What's that? Oh, this is the meat. Okay, here's the ground pork for the tacos. Here are boneless, skinless chicken breast. Yeah, I'm going to say that's 2 servings. So
Okay.
that's that is small, but we need to cut back on our serving sizes. So, and then we got the pork chops. It's good looking pork. Then you got these ice packs. I don't know if these are dry ice or just ice.
It says gel.
Oh. But it is well insulated. I mean, everything's still nice and cold.
I like it when they have dry ice in there because I like to play with the dry ice.
But you look, I can't talk. Now this is okay. You get 12 ounces of meat in each. These are meals for 2. So yeah, I'm used to a lot more meat when I make tacos. I'm gonna say, is that one taco? No, I'm kidding. So far I'm pretty impressed. Let's open the Cornita's taco box or bag. See what's inside there. Okay, we got some cilantro. I like you get your herbs off. Look at those herbs. Those are nice looking herbs. You get some mozzarella, or no, wait. This is Monterey Jack cheese. Let's look at the produce though. Oh, that was good. I think that was a poblano pepper. Tomato. Tomato's a little pale, but come on, it's not tomato season, y'all. Ooh. And then we've also got a lime.
Ooh, do we have a coconut?
And we have an onion. It's a really good looking onion. And then there's other stuff down in there we need, like tomato paste. And this all comes portioned out in exactly what you need. This is home fresh chicken. That's all it says. I guess it's... Oh, is that tequila? No, that's white wine vinegar.
No, that is not tequila.
I was like, really? They said tequila? Got the tortillas. Yeah, I'm excited about this. So y'all stay tuned. We're going to cook this up tomorrow. I don't know why they didn't put the meat in the... Maybe they were afraid about cross-contamination.
Yeah.
In case it leaked.
Probably.
I'm excited. What about you?
Mm-hmm.
You want to see what's in the other bags?
Yeah, let's save it to
When we cook them?
Yeah.
I don't know if I'll cook all these on camera, but...
Well, we can at least open them.
Because we're getting 3 more meals next week.
I mean, we could open them, show them the contents, then cook it and show, okay, this is the...
Yeah, we may actually put these in vlogs.
Yeah.
Like, this is what we're having for dinner tonight. Okay. So, because I don't want to bore you all with tons of Hellofresh cooking. Bags are recyclable. Just recycle me.
Ooh.
I'm excited. I mean, it seems like good quality stuff. The produce looked really good in that first bag. That's the only reason I want to look in these other 2 bags, is I want to see what the produce looks like. But we'll save them. Carnita tacos are coming up first. That's what you wanted. 50% voted with this is the winner. And then the smoky pork chops was next. And then I don't think anybody wants to... Well, people voted on it, but it was the last, was the presto pesto.
I'm looking forward to all of them.
I am too. I think I picked out some good meals. And you do get to pick your meals.
And, you know, I do enjoy a pesto, so...
Yeah, that's why I picked that.
Well, thank you.
Oh, I thought it was something we would both like. It's got a crust. It's got pesto. So, yeah. If you're vegetarian, they have vegetarian meals that you can choose. Did get a hole in the box, but that's not their fault. That's UPS's fault. Yep, it goes all the way through.
Yeah, but it didn't make it through the pattern.
No. I'm really excited. I love that everything's contained except for the meat. I love that everything's pre-portioned. I love that you're going to learn new cooking methods, new recipes. You got the recipe cards you can keep. Just put a hole punch in them, put them in a binder. So, HelloFresh, I am happy to have you in my home. If you want to sponsor me, because this is not sponsored. Yeah. I'm looking forward to it. Tony's looking forward to it. We will see you next time. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. Hit that bell so you never miss a video. And we'll see you later. Bye.